Apple's next generation of Macs is shaping up to be very different from what many people expected. Instead of launching a wide range of computers powered by the new M6 processor, recent leaks suggest Apple may keep the M6 family surprisingly small. If these reports prove accurate, the company could introduce only a handful of products featuring the M6 chip before quickly moving on to the M7 generation in 2027. That would make the M6 one of Apple's shortest-lived Apple Silicon generations. While this strategy may seem unusual, it could fit Apple's broader roadmap as the company prepares bigger hardware redesigns and new display technologies for future Mac models. Rather than focusing on dramatic external changes, Apple appears ready to deliver another year of performance improvements while saving its biggest innovations for later. According to current rumors, only a few Mac models are expected to receive the M6 processor, making this launch far more limited than previous Apple Silicon updates. One of the first devices expected to receive the new chip is the 14-inch MacBook Pro. However, anyone hoping for a complete redesign may need to lower their expectations. Reports indicate that Apple will keep the existing chassis, the same mini-LED display technology, and nearly identical hardware design. The biggest upgrade would simply be the introduction of the standard M6 chip. Storage and memory options are also expected to remain familiar, with configurations beginning around 16 GB of unified memory and generous SSD storage capacities. Pricing is also unlikely to change significantly, meaning buyers should expect the premium pricing associated with the MacBook Pro lineup to continue. While this may disappoint users waiting for OLED displays or a thinner design, it follows a pattern Apple has used several times before by extending the lifespan of successful hardware while introducing new processors internally. The rumored delay of OLED MacBook Pros has become one of the biggest talking points surrounding Apple's future laptop strategy. Earlier speculation suggested that OLED technology could debut with the M6 generation, but newer reports now point toward 2027 instead. Apple is reportedly planning to reserve the major redesign for the M7 lineup rather than introducing it this year. This approach would not be unprecedented. Apple has repeatedly kept older designs alive across multiple chip generations before finally introducing an entirely new chassis. The company followed a similar strategy during the transition from Intel Macs and again during the early Apple Silicon years. Because of this history, industry observers believe Apple could comfortably extend the current MacBook Pro design for another generation without affecting overall demand. The delay also gives Apple additional time to perfect OLED manufacturing, improve battery efficiency, and ensure production volumes are high enough for a global launch. Another surprising rumor suggests that Apple may not introduce M6 Pro or M6 Max chips at all. Instead, the company could continue selling MacBook Pro models powered by M5 Pro and M5 Max processors even after the standard M6 chip arrives. While this sounds unusual, Apple has previously mixed processor generations during major hardware transitions. The company has occasionally introduced new designs while retaining previous generation silicon, particularly when supply chains or manufacturing priorities made such decisions practical. If Apple follows that strategy again, customers may see standard M6-powered MacBooks alongside higher-end models that continue using M5 Pro and M5 Max chips until the next complete redesign arrives. Although this approach could initially create confusion among buyers, it would allow Apple to simplify production while reserving its next-generation premium chips for the larger M7 refresh expected in 2027. Beyond the MacBook Pro, the iMac is also rumored to receive a straightforward processor update. Similar to the laptop lineup, Apple is not expected to introduce a new design or significant hardware changes. The familiar 24-inch iMac would simply replace its existing processor with the M6 chip while maintaining the same colorful appearance, display quality, and overall user experience. Memory and storage configurations are expected to remain largely unchanged, with Apple focusing primarily on performance gains delivered by the new processor. This strategy reflects Apple's recent update cycle for desktop Macs, where external redesigns have become less frequent while internal silicon continues evolving. For many everyday users, the improved speed and efficiency offered by the M6 chip may provide enough value without requiring Apple to completely redesign the product. The Mac Mini could also receive an interesting update if current reports prove accurate. Apple may launch a standard M6-powered Mac Mini while simultaneously offering a higher-end version equipped with the previous generation M5 Pro processor. At first glance, this combination might seem confusing, but Apple has already demonstrated a willingness to mix processor generations within the same product family. Previous Mac Studio releases featured different chip generations coexisting, proving that Apple prioritizes performance tiers rather than matching processor names across every configuration. An M5 Pro Mac Mini could continue serving professional users who require additional CPU and GPU cores, while the standard M6 version would target mainstream buyers seeking the latest architecture and improved efficiency. Finally, the future of the Mac Studio remains uncertain. Industry insiders suggest Apple may delay updating its most powerful desktop because of ongoing demand for advanced chips used in artificial intelligence infrastructure and cloud computing. Since the Mac Studio requires Apple's highest performance processors with massive memory capacities, manufacturing priorities could delay its next refresh. If Apple does introduce a new Mac Studio, it may arrive alongside the limited M6 lineup later in 2026, although many analysts believe it is more likely to appear after the M7 generation begins. Until Apple officially announces its plans, these rumors remain speculative, but they paint a picture of a carefully managed transition where Apple focuses on incremental improvements now, while saving major hardware innovations, OLED displays, redesigned MacBook Pros, and next-generation premium chips for a much larger product launch in 2027.